And here's a tape. Looks like it's fun, cool, and this tape is a former tour from Hollywood Video as well. And was put on the 52nd week of 2003.
If the world is such a diverse place, why are so many movies the same?
How can you be so naive?
At Focus Features, we're dedicated to making superior quality films that are as rich and distinct as the world around us.
When someone keeps an entire part of their life secret from you, it's fascinating.
That defy conventions and dare to be extraordinary.
Feels like there's no one left in the world that I can talk to.
That's why we've become the destination for the world's biggest movie stars and most acclaimed filmmakers. A home for their most personal and passionate projects. Coming soon, we're proud to present Lost in Translation, starring Bill Murray and Scarlett Johansson. 21 Grams, starring Sean Penn, Benicio del Toro, and Naomi Watts. Sylvia, starring Academy Award winner Gwyneth Paltrow. Ned Kelly with Heath Ledger, Orlando Bloom, Naomi Watts, and Jeffrey Rush. Eternal Sunshine of the Spotless Mind, starring Jim Carrey, Kate Winslet, and Kirsten Dunst. The Door in the Floor with Jeff Bridges and Kim Basinger. And Vanity Fair, starring Reese Witherspoon. So if you crave movies that take you where you haven't been, show you what you haven't seen, and always give you something more, we bring it all into focus.
Focus Features presents.
They say we all lose 21 grams at the exact moment of our death. Everyone. 21 grams. The weight of a stack of 5 nickels. The weight of a chocolate bar. The weight of a hummingbird.
What happened to my family? Whoever looks for the truth deserves the punishment for finding it.
Let me ask you something. Whose heart do I have?
God even knows when a single hair moves on your head.
I just want to know who saved my life. This is hell.
I did everything he asked me to do.
We have to kill him.
That's what you want, wasn't it? I don't know when anything began anymore, or when it's going to end. They say everyone loses 21 grams. Who will be next?
21 grams. Coming soon.
You're so beautiful. You're a wonderful mind. And you are a great,
Love and produce.
a great poet.
I'm Sylvia Plath. I love your poems. They're very beautiful. It's haunting quality. Well, that's the best review I've ever gotten.
She was as promising as she was passionate.
We're not even two people. Even before we met, we were just two halves, walking around with big gaping holes in us shaped like the other person.
Do you love him?
I love him.
Then I like him.
Discover a love.
I feel so happy.
How happy.
Happier than I've ever been in my life.
And experience a life
Sometimes I feel like I never wrote anything. I never thought anything.
you never imagined.
It's hard. You know it's going to be hard. My first book.
Won prizes. I don't have a subject.
You've already got your subject. It's you. Write about what you know. Can't be easy being married to that.
I actually the catch of the day.
I'm sorry.
What for?
Don't know yet.
Focus Features presents
It's as if we couldn't stand being happy, so we ripped ourselves in half again.
the untold story of the astonishing life behind the century's most powerful voice.
You and Ted, you understand each other in ways that other people can only dream about. Don't throw it all away.
Just keep going.
Don't ever leave me.
Academy Award winner Gwyneth Paltrow and Daniel
I'm gonna watch this.
I really feel like God speaking through me.
You got a title for your novel yet?
The Bell Jar.
Here, let me read it.
It's a pot boiler.
Sylvia.
Coming soon to video and DVD.
The following is a paid advertisement from Lacuna Incorporated. The views expressed do not reflect the opinions of the distributors of this home entertainment.
Hello, I'm Howard Mirziak, founder and president of Lacuna Incorporated. Why remember a destructive love affair? Here at Lacuna, we have perfected a safe, effective technique for the focused erasure of troubling memories. In a matter of hours, our patented non-surgical procedure will rid you of painful memories and allow you a new and lasting peace of mind you'd never imagined possible.
This is a hoax, right? I assure you no. Is there any risk of brain damage?
It's on a par with a night of heavy drinking. Nothing you'll miss.
Focus Features presents. The top best Eternal Sunshine of the Spotless Mind.
Can you hear me? I don't want this anymore. I want to call it off.
By the classification and administration, www.filmmaker.com. This sounds a modified retro version. It's been formatted to fit this screen.